2024 IBS show. I look forward to this show annually just to get our contractors in here and show off our product for Woodland Direct. And then just, getting to know new people. There's a lot of folks that know us as experts in fire, because we do. We're a solution for fire when it comes indoor and out, and helping them with their designs and getting the right product for the right applications.
Come to IBS every year, love seeing our preferred partners, build that in-person relationship, as well as meet with our manufacturers. We have a lot of strategic partners here that we do a lot of work with, putting names to faces, communicating, seeing everyone, and catching up and seeing new products that are out.
Our partnerships, our relationships with our builders and our contractors is everything. And so to be here, to really learn about what they're going through and what needs they have when it comes to fire, and then to be that solution, for me, that's everything for us. Being here, you start to realize how large of an industry we work in, and there are a lot of solutions for these contractors. But Woodland Direct has really established some really key partnerships within the industry. To be here and to see our part in the industry is quite magical. We're very proud of what we put together and excited to share that with our builders and customers as well.
So this has been my first experience and first year at the IBS show. Honestly, one of the best parts has just been connecting with the team, seeing everybody in a different atmosphere, different environment. It's been awesome connecting with different people on our team that I wouldn't normally get a chance to talk to at Woodland. So it's just been an awesome experience and really bonding with our whole team.
I would say the team's super unique in that everything that we do and the willingness to step out of your comfort zone. So the sales guys specifically, we're used to selling online, and they're out here walking around, talking around to anybody and everybody who approaches our booth. They have all stepped up and done a very remarkable job in promoting Woodland and everything that we are doing as a company. These guys are standing and walking around 8-9 hours a day, 3 days in a row. It's hard work, but those guys, they bring to the table something that you don't see anybody else doing. They're talking about all these different products, and then they're also being able to communicate what we can do with design, what we can do with different custom things, what we can do for them as contractors, as builders, even as homeowners. What's up?